क्या पढ़ रही हूँ? तुम्हारे क्वेश्चंस जो इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछे थे आपने, और मैं आ गई हूँ उनका जवाब देने के लिए। हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कर्व्स एंड केयर्स। आज की वीडियो में दो न्यूज है, गुड और बैड। जानना चाहते हो? एंड तक देखना वीडियो, बट अभी आपके क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दूंगी। So the very first question is, what do you prefer, waxing or shaving? So in this case I would say both, because I myself, if I tell you, I myself use Venus razor for my arms and for my legs, and waxing I prefer for the sensitive areas like the intimate areas and the underarms. So I would suggest both for this. So question number 2 is, 2020 is such a bad year, how will I stay motivated? It is a negative year. Don't call it a bad year, because there are some good things which have also happened. The environment has recovered, and who knew कि हम घर से बैठ के पढ़ाई कर सकते थे? Who knew कि हम घर से बैठ के काम कर सकते थे और सब कुछ चलता था normally? I know people are facing losses also, financial losses also, but सब टाइम से सब ठीक हो जाएगा. But yeah, the question is how you can stay motivated. First thing, do what you love. Practice your hobbies. Start something new. मैंने ही खुद का YouTube चैनल चालू कर दिया. I didn't know I would do that. एंड घर बैठे बैठे भी लोग शेफ बन रहे हैं. डिस्कवर करो, नए नए डिशेस बनाओ, नई नई चीजें बनाओ. डू समथिंग व्हाट यू लव, एंड आई थिंक इवेंचुअली यू विल ऑल्सो फील मोटिवेटेड एंड यू विल ऑल्सो बी वेरी हैप्पी. स्पेंड टाइम विद योर फैमिली. सो these are the ways you can stay. Question number 3 is, give me some monsoon makeup tips. मानसून में मैं मेकअप ही ना करूं. I'm a joking. Makeup in the monsoon season, I would suggest that you go for a waterproof eyeliner and waterproof mascara, and I would suggest not to use the powder blush. Rather, you can mix the powder blush with Vaseline. A little of Vaseline and a little of powder blush, you can mix it, and that paste like formation would be there. You can apply little on your cheeks, and I think that much is enough. Go for a matte lipstick. And I don't think you should go for a heavy makeup in the monsoons, because it comes in contact with water, the rain water, and if it comes in contact with your skin for a long period of time, there are chances you would get acne and pimples, and who wants them? So yeah, this is the makeup monsoon makeup tips which I can. Question number 4 is my favorite question. Give me tips for glowing and pimple free skin. So before I give you the tip, I need to tell you one thing, that if you are a dark skin tone person and you think that my skin won't ever glow, that's a myth. It can, because it doesn't matter you are a dark skin tone or you are a fair skin tone. If your skin is clear, healthy, and without any acne or pimple, the light would reflect and your skin would automatically glow. The color doesn't determine the radiance of your skin, the glowing of your skin. So the tip is here, for glowing skin, I would say that you can mix haldi with besan and little of milk, make a paste formation and apply on your face before you go for bath, and while first bathe your body, so that the paste which you have applied will dry in the meantime, and in the end you can wash your face. And for pimples, I would suggest you could apply a garlic clove, cut it into half and take the clove and apply, and it would burn a little. You will have a burning sensation, but it is very good for your pimples, and I myself have also tried it. So yeah, that is what I can suggest, and that is the best for pimples as I feel. So the next question is, hair fall बहुत है दीदी, मैं क्या करूं? तो first of all, hair fall is like उसका कोई रेमेडी ऐसा मैं दे तो दूंगी, बट देन उसमें एक तरीका होता है. व्हेन यू गो फॉर वॉशिंग योर हेयर, लाइक जब तुम नहाने जाते हो एंड यू डिसाइड कि हाँ आज मैं बाल धोऊंगी, तो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू डू इज कोम्ब योर हेयर एंड रिमूव ऑल द टैंगल्स बिफोर यू गो फॉर बाथ, बिकॉज वंस यू पुट वाटर एंड शैम्पू एंड एवरीथिंग, जो टैंगल रहेगा वो और टैंगल हो जाएगा. So the first thing you need to do is comb your hair before you go to bath, and then you can wash your hair. And after you wash your hair, don't comb your wet hair. Let it dry, and then you can धीरे धीरे take the ends first. Ends को पहले detangle करो, and then you can gradually come up, and I think that would, in that only you will come to know कि hair fall बहुत कम हुआ. You will see it in your comb itself. And then another tip, if you want for your hair fall, I would say you can mix onion seeds and methi seeds. उनको grind करो मेकअप पेस्ट लाइक पाउडर बन जाएगा. पेस्ट बनाने के लिए यू पुट कर्ड इन इट, योगर्ट, दही डाल दो एंड उसका पेस्ट बना दो. वो पेस्ट यू अप्लाई ऑन योर हेयर एंड देन कीप इट फॉर 15-20 minutes एंड वॉश योर हेयर. यू विल सी. And the last question is, what are your makeup essentials? I know there were a lot of questions which you asked, but I have just picked up these 6 questions and I will surely let you know when you can ask me the other questions in the end of the video. So what are my top 5 makeup essentials? So one is the eyeliner. I cannot go without the eyeliner. And the second is lipstick. Third is blush, BB cream, and I think these are enough. Oh yeah, mascara. Eyeliner के साथ तो mascara जाएगा ही. So these are my top 5 makeup essentials. So guys, I have answered all your questions. I just picked up 6 questions. I had got around 15-20 of them, but I picked up 6 because I didn't want it to be a long video. नहीं तो बोर हो जाते ना आप लोग. हाँ. So, as I told you that I would be giving 2 news at the end of the video, one good and one bad. तो मैं पहला क्या बताऊँ? चलो, गुड न्यूज़. द गुड न्यूज़ इज दैट कि आप मुझे अपने क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो एंड आई वुड बी आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चंस एवरी संडे. So every Sunday you get to see one of my videos which would be here answering your questions. And bad news is that TikTok is banned. And I am hurt, obviously, but yeah, for the country इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं. तो आप लोग ने जितना मुझे प्यार टिकटॉक के लिए दिया, सपोर्ट जितना भी दिया, आई रियली नीड इट ओवर हियर ऑल्सो. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट आप लोग इतने अच्छे हो कि आप मुझे यहाँ पे भी सपोर्ट करोगे. And thank you so much for showering me with so much love on the first 2 videos which I had posted. And keep supporting this way. And if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Do share it with your friends also, and do ask me more questions in the comments below, because next Sunday I would be answering them over here. So bye guys, keep glowing and be happy. Bye bye.